In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe all emails in Gmail for free, so you can move closer to Inbox Zero without spending hours digging through your inbox. First, open your web browser and sign into your Gmail account. Make sure you're on a computer, because some of the tools we'll use are much easier on desktop than on mobile. Once you're in your inbox, we're going to take advantage of Gmail's powerful search to quickly find emails you're subscribed to. At the top of the page, click into the search bar. Type the word unsubscribe and press enter. Most promotional newsletters and automated mailing lists are legally required to include an unsubscribe link. So this simple search will surface a large portion of those emails in one place. You'll probably see messages from brands, newsletters, and services you don't even remember signing up for. Now, scan through this list and decide which senders you no longer want to hear from. Open one of the emails. Near the top, usually beside the sender's address, you may see a small unsubscribe link built directly into Gmail. If you see it, click that. A small confirmation box will appear. Confirm that you want to unsubscribe. That's the quickest method, because Gmail automatically communicates the request to the sender. If the built-in link is not there, scroll to the very bottom of the email. Almost every newsletter includes a text link that says something like unsubscribe or manage email preferences. Click that link. It will open a page in a new tab where you can confirm that you want to stop receiving emails or adjust how often they're sent. Follow the prompts, then close that tab when you're done. Repeat this process for other senders in your search results. It can feel repetitive, but doing a focused cleanup session now will save you a lot of time in the future. A useful tip is to prioritize. Start with the senders that email you most often, or those you know you never open. As you go, you can also delete old messages from those senders. After you've unsubscribed, go back to your inbox. Search by the sender's name or email. Select all visible messages and delete them. This step is optional, but it helps clear visual clutter and makes it much easier to reach Inbox Zero. When you're finished, return to your regular inbox view. Over the next few days, you should see fewer new promotional emails arriving. If anything still slips through, just repeat these same steps. With a bit of consistency, your Gmail inbox will stay cleaner, quieter, and much easier to manage.